this video, I'll show you how to buy BTC or Bitcoin on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we get started, this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing I say is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially something as risky as crypto. So first thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in free trading rebates. After you've logged into your account, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can buy BTC on Binance. The first way is the most simple, is by going to the top right of the screen and tapping on Add Funds or Deposit. From here, we're going to select Buy with USD. Once you're on this page, you're going to see this option right here next to USD. You can tap on this arrow right next to USD. And from here, you can select your local currency. For example, if you're in Canada, you can select the Canadian dollar. If you're in Europe, you can select the euro, and so on. I'm going to stick with USD and I'm going to stick with $15. After you've entered in the amount of USD you want to convert into Bitcoin, we're going to go right over here under where it says Buy and tap on this arrow next to it. And we're going to select Bitcoin from the list. If you don't see Bitcoin on the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top, tap on Bitcoin, and right here where it says Pay With, we're going to select our payment options. These are the options that come up for me. You might have different payment options, but if you have an account with any of these other options, you can simply log in and use those. I'm going to go with Visa and MasterCard and tap on Confirm. Right here, I'm going to select Add a New Card. I'm going to add in my card information, and after I do that, I'm just going to go right over here and tap on Confirm. Next, you're going to confirm the transaction on the next page, and that's the first way to buy Bitcoin on Binance. The second way you can buy Bitcoin on Binance is if you already have another asset in your account, such as USDT, USDC, or anything like that, we can go right over here to the bottom of the screen and tap on Trade. From here, we're going to select our spot account, and right here where it says USDT/BRL, we're going to tap on that, and right here in the search bar, we're just going to search BTC. I'm going to tap on the first option, which is BTC USDT. But there's other ones that come up. And right here, we're going to enter the amount of USDT that we're going to convert into BTC. You can do that by entering the amount of USDT that you want to spend on Bitcoin, or you can enter in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy with USDT. For this example, I'll just say that I want to buy $15 worth of Bitcoin. Tap Done. That's how much Bitcoin that'll get me. Tap on Buy BTC. Confirm the transaction on the next page. And that's the second way you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. Another way you can buy Bitcoin on Binance is by going right over here, again, to the trade section. And right here, we're going to tap on Convert. And right here, if we have another asset in our account, such as Sol, for example, we're going to go to the From section, select the asset you have in your wallet currently. And right here to the To section, we're going to tap on BTC. Search for it in the list, tap on BTC, enter the amount of the asset you want to convert into BTC, preview, confirm the transaction, and that's the third way you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.